you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. If you are having trouble putting together outfits or you don't know what to wear, let me be your personal stylist today. I am going to be showing you guys everyday outfits for you to rock in 2021. If you're watching this video in the future, hi, hello. I'm pretty sure you probably can still rock these outfits and figure out a way to still make them work. But for now, we are in the year 2021. So yeah, these are going to be everyday outfits for 2021. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. Before we get started, comment below your phone battery percentage. Mine is currently on 29%. I need to go find a charger. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into these outfits. Let's go. Okay, so this is the first outfit, super smart casual look. So starting with our top, this top is a cropped polo vest top. Super cute. It's very chic and very classic and elegant. You could definitely wear this for back to school. Have a collar on it, so I just love this. I feel like a collar just makes me look very like back to schoolish and very sophisticated and professional. So I paired this look back with these classic relaxed high-waisted Levi jeans that I've actually had in my closet for years, you guys. These are such a staple in my wardrobe and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. For every day, I really like to be comfortable, so if I am going for a jean, I like to opt for a trouser or like a really like relaxed mom jean. So top is from my vintage boutique. Pants are from, these are thrifted, and this belt I actually also thrifted. So I added this belt to just balance out the outfit. So let me show you guys the belt up close because you guys, the belt is velvet. A little commotion for the belt. I absolutely love the belt, you guys. It has that like suede, very soft material. So I thought this was just be cute to add to this look. Okay, for shoes, I'm gonna be wearing, I'm just kidding. I have my house shoes, my slippers on right now, but let me go ahead and get the shoes that I'm gonna be rocking with this outfit. Okay, so for shoes, because this is every day, I am just going to be adding these boots. I got these boots from Burlington Coat Factory a while back. These aren't Steve Madden, these are Madden Girl. They have a little heel on them, but they're still great for every day. So we're just gonna be rocking some boots. I love to wear boots. You guys, boots are just like a great everyday shoe to have to wear with different outfits. Don't know like what type of like flat shoes to wear, throw on a boot. Okay, so this is the full outfit with the boots. I did roll up my pants and it looks like this. It's just a very relaxed fit. You definitely could wear this for school. For the shoes, you have like a little heel on the back, but it's not too much. Definitely very casual and laid back. And if you don't want to get, you don't want to be cold, or if you're somebody who's anemic like me and you get cold a lot, you can even throw on a red blazer on the top, and this makes it look even more casual and chic and even more smart casual. So I just have this oversized blazer from my clothing brand as well, and I just threw this on the top, and this is the look. Ooh. Okay, so for our next everyday outfit, we have this satin black midi dress. It actually has a cute little slit in it, so yeah, this is super cute. Now this outfit can definitely be dressed up for like a night out, but it can also be worn as like a casual outfit, so more of like relaxed. I love anything that is just like comfortable and easy to slip on, and this is one of those outfits because not only is it super comfortable, it feels really good on my skin and I feel confident in it, and it saves me a lot of time getting dressed. It still looks very elegant and put together because of the materials. So materials can go a long way. So we're just gonna keep it simple. We're not gonna really put anything with this. You can put a belt with it, but we just wanna keep it simple because like I said, it's just for a casual everyday look. Like I said, you guys, boots are a great everyday shoe to have, and you can wear them with a lot. So I have these ones from Windsor. All right, so this is what we are working with, a little asymmetrical vibe going on, really cute. I absolutely love this so much. It's really comfy. You can wear it every day. You can add a bag. So this dress is from Takara as well, my vintage clothing brand. So you guys can check that out. Like I said, all the links are going to be in the description box. Love how this looks, you guys. Definitely a great everyday dress. And for my bag, I'm trying to decide which bag do you guys think fits better with this look? I can't really tell. I feel like this one. This is off of my other brand with my mom and my sister, TZTUnlimited. So I'm loving this look. What do you guys think of look number 2? Would you pick this purse or the other purse? I think this is cute, and I really love these boots with this look. All I'm missing is like a hat. If anybody sells like fedora hats, link them below, because I need a fedora hat. I feel like I just need a fedora hat with this. A black one would be really cute, or a white one. Okay, outfit number 3. I absolutely love this outfit, you guys. It's more for like my working woman girls. When you still want to be kind of dressed up when you're at home, but you need like an everyday outfit that you can maybe wear on your Zoom calls, or if you're like gonna be at school, like on your virtual schooling, and you still just want to look elegant and put together, or if you're just a mom, you just want to look elegant and put together. I have this basic satin cami top. It's a cowl neck tank top, and I just absolutely love this. It's satin, it feels really, really good. You could throw a blazer on top of it if needed. And then I just paired it with these white trousers. I have to go actually get mine personally tailored, but these are tall girl friendly pants. So if you're tall, these are definitely tall girl friendly. But yeah, I'm gonna go get mine tailored to fit me perfectly. But we have sizes extra small to medium, so size 4 to 8. So these are size 4, I'm sorry, these are extra small. So yeah, these are what these look like. They have this really cute belt, and I just love a white trouser. These are very comfortable, and I can move around in them every day and not feel like restraint, you know, and super tight, and like, I don't know, I don't like feeling uncomfortable in my pants. Pair them back with those same boots, you guys, that you guys seen me wear with the dress. So this is outfit number 3. What do we got? What do we think of this outfit? I feel like this is very, very elegant. I'm gonna pair my bag from TZTUnlimited with this, and I think this is really cute. Definitely like a on-the-go meetings. I'm about to go run and get some coffee type of vibe. Got your MacBook in your hand type of vibe for every day. If you like to be a little bit more dressed up and chic, this is definitely the look. So do you guys think it looks better like this or like this? I kind of like it like this. And this cowl neck tank top is giving everything that it was supposed to have gave, okay? My vendor understood the freaking assignment, okay? They understood the assignment, yes. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Takara, you have on another satin camisole tank top. Yes, y'all, these are like an essential in my like everyday wardrobe. Like I have to have these satin tank tops. They're just easy grab and goes, okay? I tucked it in, you guys. Tucking in your shirts just makes you look more put together. Try tucking in your shirts. You're gonna see how more clean you look. So camisole tank top again from Timeless Takara. My jeans, these are just a basic jean. I really love the fact that they don't have a lot of rips in them. Again, just a very clean look. And then I know, I'm sorry, I put the booties back on. The snakeskin booties are making another appearance, okay? These are a great everyday boot, like I said, you guys. I just love them. And if it ain't broke, don't freaking break it, okay? So I want to show y'all this vintage jacket I actually found. I don't really know if this is a jacket. I think it's a dress. But that's the part that I love about it, is it's a vintage dress. It looks like a blazer type dress, and it has buttons on it. But I'm about to style it as like a cardigan for this outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on Timeless Takara as well. This will be up on the website if you guys are interested. This is a size 4. I will throw this up there. So this will be good for the fall. But yeah, I love having like some type of like trench coat or like cardigan look over just outfits, and overall this is a good school look. Okay, so yeah, this just balances out the outfit. It's long sleeve, so it'll keep you warm. I love being able to layer on top of my camisole tops, my basics underneath. So yeah, this is how this looks. I absolutely love this jacket. Well, jacket dress, because it can actually be worn as like a blazer dress too. But yeah, this is outfit number 4. How do we feel about outfit number 4? I love it. I feel so comfortable. Oh, and I almost forgot. We're just gonna put that same purse from TZTUnlimited right along with this outfit, and This is just so chic, you guys. I absolutely love this. So this is outfit number 4. Okay, so for outfit number 5, I am absolutely obsessed with this dress, you guys. I got this dress from Burlington Clothes Factory. I probably paid little to no money for it. It's so freaking comfortable, and it's just one of those everyday dresses that I always reach for. It does have like a turtleneck on it, kind of like a slight turtleneck. And what I love about this is it's just a little bit more modest. I'm more covered up here, and yeah, it's a little bit fitted at the bottom. Like I said, very comfortable, and the color is probably my most favorite part about this dress, because not only is this like sage color kind of like gearing toward more of like a neutral color, basic to like have in your wardrobe, it just looks very elegant, and there's just something so like pretty about it. So I absolutely love this dress. I'm gonna pair this dress with these sandals, these really cute like mule sandals. These were gifted to me for my birthday, and they have a nice little print on them, which I love. So I'm just going to slip these on, and then we're gonna be adding a TZT bag. So this bag matches back with the shoes, and I just love this brown and sage color together. I don't know if I got something on this dress. I wear this dress a lot, y'all, so I wouldn't even be surprised. I can either put this bag from TZT or this bag. Which one do y'all think? Comment below. Are you rocking this bag or this bag with this look? Comment below and let me know. I don't know, both bags are cute. I don't know, I guess it just depends on the day and the look that you're going for. So yeah, this is how it looks with this. This is how it looks with this one. Super small, so I really like to go for more petite bags, but yes, I love this one. I love this one from TZTUnlimited. It's studded, it has the gold detailing, and it just looks really good with this outfit. Okay, so before we ride out of here, I'm gonna give you guys a bonus outfit with this skirt from my vintage clothing brand as well. This is our cream satin midi skirt with a side slit, and I'm just gonna show you guys how you can do a bonus outfit with this look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna unzip this, and it's just gonna be the same outfit, but I'm just going to slip this skirt over top of this dress. This skirt would be really cute with like a bodysuit, but since I don't have a bodysuit in this color, I'm just gonna wear my dress as like a bodysuit look. So literally the same look, you guys. So super easy outfit, everyday outfit, and I could pair this purse back with it. And I just love this. Super cute and great for every day, you guys. Absolutely love this. What do you guys think? This is everyday outfit number 5. Alright, you guys, so that concludes this everyday outfits for 2021 video. If you like something that you've seen in today's everyday outfits video, make sure you guys go ahead and click the link in the description box and check out my clothing brand. Even if you can't purchase something, come on over to Timeless Takara's Instagram and just give us a follow on there. It will be truly appreciated. But if you are looking to purchase something that you've seen off this video today, you can use the code YTFAM. This is our little secret code for my YouTube family to get 25% off of your order. So go ahead and use the code, elevate your wardrobe, get you some everyday fits. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a like and share it with one of your friends. I know there's plenty of people out there who probably need some help on trying to figure out everyday outfit inspiration. So tag a friend, share it with a friend, share it on your social media platforms. It helps our community and it helps my channel out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy videos like this one, and if you want to see more fashion content, and turn on your post notifications so that way you can always race to be the first one to comment first underneath all of my videos when they upload. And until next time, I love you guys, and I will see you at the top. Peace.